Obbattu, or holige, is a dish that feels like home wrapped in a warm, sweet flatbread. It's a classic Karnataka dessert often made during festivals and special occasions. Think of it like a golden stuffed hug. The filling? It's heavenly, made from a mix of grated fresh coconut and jaggery. The earthy sweetness of jaggery, paired with the tropical kick of coconut, is addictive. Some add cardamom powder to give it an aromatic twist. Always a pro move. But let's talk about the dough, which is equally important. It's made with all-purpose flour, turmeric, and a pinch of salt. Pro tip: adding a splash of warm water makes it softer and easier to roll out thin. Now comes the tricky part, combining the dough and filling. The coconut jaggery mix can escape if the dough isn't sealed properly. Yeah, it's messy until you get the hang of it, but trust me, it's worth it. Shaping a obbattu is an art. You roll out what's essentially a stuffed dough ball. If you apply too much pressure, the filling bursts out like it has someplace better to be. Gentle hands win here. Frying a obbattu on a hot griddle is where the magic happens. A drizzle of ghee transforms it into a golden brown delight. That sizzle sound? Best part of the process, hands down. The biggest pain point here is timing. If the dough's too dry or the filling's too runny, it's chaos. It either won't seal or it'll refuse to cook evenly. Balance and patience pay off here. Pro move: after you make a batch, store leftover filling. You can whip up fresh obbattu in minutes for the next few days. Coconut jaggery filling doesn't just taste good, it also keeps well. Some prefer obbattu with milk or ghee. I like mine plain, fresh off the griddle. The simpler, the better. You really don't need to overcomplicate a dish that's already so good. Being from Portland with its foodie culture, I bring obbattu to potlucks now and then. It gets a curious response at first, but once people bite into it, the compliments don't stop. There's something nostalgic about making this dish. It's as much about the process as it is about the taste. Mixing, shaping, frying. It's like breathing life into a little piece of tradition. If you've never tried this before, just do it. Start messy, start clumsy, but once you make your first perfect obbattu, you'll feel like you've unlocked a food superpower. You'll thank me later.